Hi everyone! So Lakme recently sent me a bunch of their products for me to try out, and I thought I might as well turn this into a makeup tutorial / review video. So let me review these products while showing you how to get this look. Let's go! So first item I'm going to use is this eyeshadow quad in Tanjore Rush. I'm actually pretty surprised how pigmented it is. First, I'm applying the yellow on the inner part of my eyes, and I'm only covering about the inner third of my eyes. As you can see, the color just comes out so smoothly. I really love it. I'm very impressed with this actually. Yellow sometimes has a hard time showing up against my skin, but this has no issues at all. And there's no streakiness whatsoever, even though it's so pigmented. So I'm a huge fan so far. Next, I'm grabbing the green with a fluffy blending brush and blending it next to the yellow, covering about a third of my eye. Just be really patient with the blending and make sure you pick the fluffiest brush you can find to keep the blending very smooth. Check out how easily this eyeshadow blends, even though it's so pigmented. By the way, I totally forgot to wear a primer. Yeah, this is how it looks like without primer. Finally, I'm taking this purple shade and I got too much, so I gotta blow it out. And I'm using the same fluffy blending brush to apply it in the outermost 1/3 of my eye and winging it out. I'm also blending it into the green to make it a smooth ombre. And I'm slightly disappointed that this purple isn't as purple as it looks like on a palette. I'd say the color is slightly more of a brownish purple. It doesn't show up too well as a purple, but you know what? It's still a pigmented eyeshadow, so I'm not too disappointed. Next, I'm grabbing the yellow again and applying it into the inner half of my lower lash line with a flat eyeshadow brush. With a pencil brush, I'm applying the brown shade on the outer half of my lower lash line. I'm now grabbing Lakme's Weightless Matte Lip and Cheek Mousse in Fuchsia Suede, and I'm going to apply it on my face. I'm using this as a blush this time, but I've used it as both a blush and on my lips, and it blends beautifully. It's also equally comfortable on my lips. It does stain my lips for quite a while, so the color ends up becoming long-lasting by default. I personally like this as a blush too. It blends extremely easily. My one complaint is that I feel like the packaging is really misleading. I thought I got a nude color, but it's actually something really bright. It was completely unexpected. I really wish the packaging will be at least a similar color to what I'm getting. Finally, I'm applying Lakme's 925 Primer Plus Matte Lip Color in Red Coat and applying it all over my lips. I'm a huge fan of the smudged, messy lips look lately, so I'm taking my beauty blender and just dabbing it around the edges of this lipstick to mess it up. As you can see, this lipstick isn't exactly very matte, but it is very comfortable. It's also not that long lasting. You have to touch it up after a meal, but I guess that's what you give up for the sake of comfort. I'm reapplying this lipstick in the inner part of my lips. Then pursing my lips a couple of times just to make sure the top and bottom part look even, and then using my finger to slowly ombre it out. And that's how I get my messy smudged ombre lips. And this part is completely optional. I personally like the look even without falsies, but if you'd like to use falsies, let me show you the difference that falsies can make. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe if you enjoyed this, and I'll see you next time. See you. Bye.